Using Python's os.path, how do I go up one directory? I recently upgraded Django from v1.3.1 to v1.4. In my old settings.py I have this will point to. But because Django v1.4 moved the project folder to the same level as the app folders, my settings.py file is now in instead of. So actually my question is now twofold. How do I use os.path to look at a directory one level above from _file_? In other words, I want breaktime equals 1/.py to find breaktime equals 1/ using relative paths. Should I be keeping the template folder, which has cross-app templates, like admin, registration, etc., at the project breaktime equals 1/ level, or at breaktime equals 1/?
As far as where the templates folder should go, I don't know since Django 1.4 just came out and I haven't looked at it yet. You should probably ask another question on say to solve that issue. You can also use normpath to clean up the path, rather than os.path. However, in this situation, Django expects an absolute path rather than a relative path. For cross-platform compatibility, use os.path instead of ...
To get the folder of a file, just use. To get a folder up, just use os.path.dir again. You might want to check if _file_ is a symlink.
If you are using Python 3.4 or newer, a convenient way to move up multiple directories is pathlib. You want exactly this.
Before the